stop blowing your accounts because of your emotions by using this simple process. Number one is have a strategy, and if you don't have one, then I recommend find one immediately before you even start trading. Number two is find a mentor who is using the same strategy and is seeing significant results. Number three is clarify your reasons for entry and exit. This is the most important part. Reasons for entry and exit. And then number four, you risk what you are willing to lose. Don't full port your whole account. Risk at least, at most, 5% of your account. And then lastly, show up every day and then rinse and repeat. There is no way you are going to blow up that account. If you don't have a solid strategy, check out the free masterclass link in the bio.